doing, guys? Sorry it took a month or so to get a new video out. I know I said a week or so, but holidays and whatnot, I fell behind on this project. As you can see, I got the Harley pretty well disassembled. Degreased the frame and whatnot. As far as the chrome goes, I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm trying to leave this as original as possible. I think she's got like 1,020 miles on her, so yeah, overall pretty happy. Found a new NOS bracket for the handlebar that holds the throttle cable in place. And some gaskets on eBay. A few other little things, clutch lever and whatnot. Gonna be regasketing that motor the next few weeks, so that should be fun. Do have bad news. The tank, I noticed when I took it out, the seam right there was damp. So I'm gonna have to seal the gas tank somehow. I've never done it, so any tips or tricks, if you guys want to, feel free to chime in, that'd be great. It's not terrible, but I don't know what you can see on the camera. But I'm still bummed about it. The rear drum as well. I have no idea where to even start. I haven't taken it apart or anything, but parts and whatnot for this bike, I have no idea if I'm gonna find the pads and whatnot for this thing. I'm also missing the exhaust baffle. That'd be great if someone knew where I could buy some of these extra parts I need, or find them, or hell, give them to me. That'd be much appreciated. I'm not reselling the bike, giving it to my father. So, but yeah, guys. All right. Thanks for checking out the video, and any tips or tricks or information you want to relay, or helpful information you want to relay about this bike, I'd greatly appreciate it. I've never worked on one of these small little Harleys before, and it's a little different from a dirt bike or a normal motorcycle. But yeah, overall I'm pretty pumped about it. Thanks, guys. I'll touch base soon.